This is announcement for week of September 21. Before we start for the next week, let's look at some logistics like your quiz performance as a class on the last quiz one. This is pretty good actually. 82 of you in the class got 50 and 11 got 40, 45 or more. Uh, Pass rate is 99% with B minus or better score 97.9. So I'd say keep it up this spirit and you will do better. Let's hit the 100% mark on Q2, Q3 and Q4. Regarding studies, we'll continue with the module 3 logic design and design component, and in this week, this specific week, we will review one lecture, but it's a very long one. Okay, so that's why I kind of suggest you to like study it in two parts, like with the lecture 8, mainly on the sequential circuit design and the logic components. But with that topic, within that topic, finish by September 21 the state diagram to the circuit that design, flip-flop timing constraint, decoder and multiplexer. Practically, decoder and multiplexers are kind of a review from CS47 study, at least the course I took in San Jose State. It is kind of a review of that part, and then move on to the second part of the same lecture, lecture 8, and complete that before September 23, which includes like registers and barrel shifter. So this is pretty new concept for all of you. So make sure to pay attention to this specific component, and this is very important component as a computer design. So you read all the materials and note your queries on the corresponding QA section. As a lab work, we continue with the module 10, the Verilog tutorial, complete the labs, lab 7, that is, we start behavioral modeling from this lab. So that part 1, make sure you do it by September 21, and part 2, make sure you do it by September 23. Of course, you need to read the slides and add your queries to the module 10 Q&A discussion. Activities, so you start on the project 2. This is again 100 time or more harder project than project 1. There are ungraded milestones. This is just a guideline for you or guiding star for you, that if you can meet the deadline on those ungraded milestone, means you are okay, you can meet the deadline. Otherwise, you need to put more effort onto this project. Go through the project description, watch the videos on the page, and also like discuss within the study group that I have created a study group for you. So within the group, you can actually discuss problem, issues, and strategies how to solve the problem, like this project too. But no copying from each other. Okay, no copying. You can exchange ideas, how to do things, how to test. Even you can exchange the test benches, like test program, that to make your like test your implementation. That part you can actually share between each other, but not the core implementation of the project too. You may not do a copy paste on that, but you can discuss among the study group to solve each other problem. That's all for this week's announcement. If you have any question or queries, please let me know either through email or through Canvas, or ask me in the class.